So on the machine, I'm gonna do, as I said, I'm gonna do a reset on it and just see what's gonna happen. I hope it's not gonna freeze. I've been able to copy the files that I want to copy, so let me do the reset. Let me take out the drive just in case. So I'm gonna do a reset. So this reset, I'm not gonna need a pen drive on the machine. I'm just gonna use the Windows on this same machine to do the reset. Troubleshoot, reset, everything. I hope it's not gonna freeze. If it doesn't freeze, that's it. That's what I'm expecting. If it doesn't freeze, that's okay. But since the processor is having a problem, it can freeze because this reset is running on the processor. So let's just see what happens, and let me see what we can do about it. Okay, so fully clean it up. Oh gosh. Okay, now it freezes again. Oh no. No. Okay, so I cancel it, so let me do it again. Okay, the mouse is not working again, so let me use the keyboard. I hope I can use the keyboard to reset. And then remove everything. Okay, full clean. Let's see if I can be able to reset. Yes. So that's it, let me do the reset and see what's gonna happen. Okay, start. It will finish because there's an SSD, probably M.2 with 8 GB of RAM, but the processing is what's going on. So the machine sometimes heats. Sometimes heats up, but let's see what's gonna happen. Let me see if I can get to 5. I don't know, maybe they probably have it put on the bed, so it's the certain is blocking the fans. Okay, so now I got 4%, which is a good sign. I hope I'm gonna get 100. So now we have 23%. Keep going. I think the processor is not giving any problem as of now, so we're gonna wait till we get to 100, and then we're gonna see whether it's going to work or it's not going to work. But that will be a big problem. But we will wait.